Our experiment today that we're making is the magnetic breakfast. These are our ingredients. Hot water.
Hot water. We have cereal, which is frosted flakes. We have water, cold water, and hot water in the stove. We have lemon juice, milk, and pineapple juice. And that's the cup we're gonna use to make sure the cereal, and that's the blender. Okay, now to start, you measure 1 cup of cereal. So you pour the cereal. And once you have the cup, you put it in the blender. And you're gonna do this with each tray. We're gonna try 5, so we're gonna try the hot water first, then the lemon juice, then the pineapple juice, then the milk, and finally the cold water. So for each one, you're gonna put 1 cup of cereal. Just put it in the blender. And then you got the hot water, which is like the first try. As long as it's hot, the cereal. So I think that's enough. You can add more. That's also enough. When you do that, you're gonna blend it for 1 minute. And while it's blending, you can dance. So para cada color. Okay, yeah. Now that the blender mixture is ready, you put it in a plastic bag carefully. And after it's done, you fill the bag, close it, and you let it rest for 5 minutes. So once it's ready, we'll continue.
Repeat the same procedures that we did with cereal and water, with lemon juice, pineapple juice, milk, and cold water. And after you do that, you put them in a Ziploc bag and you let them sit for 5 minutes so the iron can go all the way to the bottom. And after that, we'll see what happens. Like this?
Yeah.
You stand them up like this so the iron can go to the bottom. It'll be easier to access the iron.
Hey.
Since we saw that it was kind of hard to see the iron when the bags were laying down like this, we decided to get some bows and sit them like that so it will be easier for the iron to sink down and for us to put the magnet and make it attractive. It will be easier for us, so you can do something like that at home.
So you're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes and then we'll see the results.
So after 5 minutes, you pick up each bag. You take your magnet and run it along the bottom of the bag with even strokes in the same direction so the iron can go to one side. So we did that with hot water, with lemon juice, with pineapple juice, with milk, and finally with cold water. And we saw that when we did that evenly with every single, I guess, liquid that we used, we saw that hot water, cold water, and milk, you could see some specks of iron at the bottom of the bag, but it didn't really work with the pineapple juice and the lemon juice. So I guess that tells us that depending on the amount of iron the cereal has, it depends on how much iron you will see in each bag and the liquid you use. We see that the more acid we use, like as in like lemon juice and pineapple juice, it kind of didn't resemble any iron specks because of the acid, and maybe like burned it out, or we really don't know. It just didn't show any signs. So that's our experiment.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yay!
Ya verás sopa de caracol de salsa.